Ever wondered how the idea of a home in space, the International Space Station, was conceived? The seed was sown through a fusion of international collaboration, a shared vision for space exploration, and a drive to reap potential benefits for humanity. It was a grand plan, a brainchild of multiple nations aiming to extend our reach into the cosmos, a place where technology, science, and human ingenuity would converge to unlock secrets of the universe. Thus began the journey of creating a place for humans to live and work in space. Moving from conception to construction, how did we build a home in the hostile environment of space? The International Space Station, or ISS, is a marvel of modern engineering. It's assembled like a giant jigsaw puzzle in the vast expanse of space. Its construction relied on a modular design, with each module built on Earth, then launched and assembled in orbit. This monumental task was not accomplished by a single country, but by a collaboration of various space agencies worldwide. NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, JAXA, and CSA all played significant roles in this grand project. Assembling the ISS in space was no easy task. Astronauts had to carry out numerous spacewalks, grappling with the challenges of microgravity while bolting together the massive modules. Overcoming these obstacles was a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Piece by piece, over the years, our space home took shape. This remarkable achievement stands as a symbol of what we can accomplish when we work together towards a common goal. Living and working in space, how do astronauts manage it on the ISS? Imagine waking up every day in zero gravity, where even the simplest tasks require a new approach. This is the reality for astronauts aboard the International Space Station. Their day starts with a morning briefing from Mission Control, followed by a rigorous exercise routine to counteract the muscle and bone loss that can occur in microgravity. Astronauts spend their days conducting scientific research that can't be done on Earth, from studying the impacts of microgravity on the human body to observing our planet's climate. They also take care of the space station, performing maintenance tasks, and troubleshooting any issues that arise. Living in space isn't without its challenges. From the isolation to the constant need to adapt, it's a tough job. But through rigorous training and a strong support system back on Earth, these challenges are met head-on. Despite the challenges, life thrives and valuable work continues on the ISS. So where does the ISS stand today, and why does it matter? The International Space Station remains a hub of international collaboration where countries unite to advance our understanding of the universe. It's an unparalleled platform for scientific research, enabling us to study the effects of long-term space travel on the human body. It's also our springboard for future voyages, preparing us for exploration of Mars and beyond. The International Space Station, a testament of human ingenuity, continues to serve us here on Earth and beyond.